Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if your Wi-Fi is not working on your Nokia 5. The first step you should take if your Wi-Fi isn't working is to scroll down, try turning your Wi-Fi off, and then back on again. However, if this does not fix your problem, you may want to try going into your Wi-Fi and then tapping and holding on the network, or clicking on the little button, clicking forget, and then connecting on to it again, and then connecting. If this still, however, does not end up fixing your problems, you may want to try and go into settings, system, advanced, reset options, reset Wi-Fi and mobile and Bluetooth, reset settings, using your pattern or password, and then resetting the settings. If this still doesn't fix your problem, you may have to restart your router. You can do so by unplugging it from the electricity and plugging it back in after 15 seconds or so. If that still doesn't work, another step would be to reset your phone, and do so by holding the power button and clicking on restart. If this still doesn't end up working, you may have to give your phone to service. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.